वक्त इजराइल से राष्ट्रपति कुछ बोल रहे हैं, वो सुनवा देते हैं सर।
We don't need I would like to say that it is only 8 months since I visited your country, and I could never forget our visit because we found a real, very strong nation with strong ideas, with strong wishes and goals and tasks, and I must say, with the all respect that I have and the pleasure that I have, that you are one of the greatest leaders of the democracies in the world in this time. And we appreciate very much your visit to Israel. We have a lot in common. We are doing a lot in common. We understood very well your thoughts about the need to have partners who will make in India, because the first thing that the leaders of Israel at the time, at the beginning of the state of Israel as a new state in 1948, we thought that we should produce everything in Israel. And Made in Israel was one of the greatest ideas and one of the most important tasks. And we understand that very well. And we are doing a lot in order to fulfill your ideas about Make in India. I only suggested that there are some projects that maybe we can do Make with India. And I know that you have accepted that, and we appreciate that very much. I know that there are a lot of cooperation with the universities, and the Professor Zilberschatz is here. B2B cooperation between businessmen in India and in Israel, and the president of the industry of Israel is here, and he was along with me with a lot of people from Israel trying to find a way in order to invest in India and to make mutual projects together. And I really believe that there is a need, and I know that you're going to meet the Israeli government to create the ideas of G2G, as you are doing so very well. Also, when we have cooperation between B2B, sometimes we need the B2G and the G2B from both sides, and I explain it very well to the people in Israel, because they know what they want, and not always they are thinking about the needs of the other side. And I found you as one of the leaders that really pay attention to all the needs of his people, and pay also attention to the abilities and to the opportunities and to the needs of the other side. And we respect you very much. It is good, and it is really a pleasure to have as a guest one of the greatest leaders of the world today, Prime Minister Modi. Welcome to Israel.
एक्सेलेंसी, मैं आपका बहुत आभारी हूँ। नवंबर 2016 में मुझे आपका स्वागत सम्मान करने का अवसर मिला था, और आपने भारत को समझने के लिए, भारत को फील करने के लिए अलग अलग स्थान पर भी जाने के लिए समय निकाला था, और हमारा भी सौभाग्य था कि हमें हर प्रकार से आपका स्वागत सम्मान करने का मौका मिला। लेकिन मैं कल से जब आया हूँ, मैं देख रहा हूँ कि स्वागत समारोह में पूरे इजराइल का एक प्रकार का फीलिंग मैं अनुभव कर रहा हूँ। आपने भारत में जो देखा पाया, उसकी झलक भी मैं यहाँ देख पा रहा हूँ, और इसके लिए मैं बहुत आभारी हूँ।
Excellency, I'd like to express my gratitude for this warm welcome that has been accorded to me. You came to India in November 2016. We had the opportunity of warmly welcoming you in India. And to really understand and feel India, you took time to go to different places to see the entire country. And I think it was also a matter of great fortune for us that we got this opportunity to host you at all those places. I also note that since my arrival yesterday, the warm welcome and the hospitality that has been extended to me, it has been so warm that in a way I can feel the entire country, Israel, the feelings and the sentiments that there are for us, for me and my delegation. And whatever you saw in India, in a way, I can see the glimpse of that over here since my arrival. Once again, let me express my gratitude.
आपने भारत में एक शब्द को प्रारंभ किया था, मेक विथ इंडिया, और मैं कल ये अनुभव कर रहा हूँ कि कईयों के मुंह से मैं आपका ये शब्द सुन रहा हूँ, यानी आपका ये विचार कैसे प्रकुलित हुआ इजराइल में, वो भली भांति मैं अनुभव कर रहा हूँ।
Excellency, you in fact started a phrase when you were in India, and that is make with India. And I feel that since my arrival yesterday, I have seen that echoed by many people. And I think what you started has now percolated to all levels. And I feel that really since my arrival yesterday.
दुनिया में ट्रेड और कॉमर्स की डेफिनेशन में G2G, B2G ये सारे शब्द प्रयोग आपने किए, लेकिन रियल में मुझे लगता है हमारे बीच तो है आई फॉर आई, आई विथ आई। यहाँ मैं वो आई फॉर आई जो पॉपुलर वर्ड है उसका उपयोग नहीं कर रहा हूँ। मैं इंडिया का आई, इजराइल का आई, तो आई फॉर आई, आई विथ आई, मैं समझता हूँ ये टर्मिनोलॉजी पक्की मुझे नजर आ रही है। और जब हम लोग बोलते हैं इजराइल, तो हमारे लोगों का फीलिंग आता है इजराइल इज ए फ्रेंड, मीन्स ईच रियल फ्रेंड इजराइल। तो काफ़ी मैं यहाँ अपनापन अनुभव करता हूँ, और आपने जो समय दिया, स्वागत सम्मान किया, और मैं देख रहा था कि आप प्रोटोकॉल छोड़ करके बाहर रोड के किनारे तक लेने के लिए आए। ये भारत के 125 करोड़ देशवासियों के प्रति आपका जो प्यार है उसकी अभिव्यक्ति है। मैं उसको विशेष रूप से आभार व्यक्त करता हूँ।
Excellency, you in your introductory words, you said all those phrases which are used in the world of trade and commerce, that is G2G, B2G, etc. But in the real world, I mean, in what we see in reality today, there is eye for eye and eye with eye. And when I say eye for eye, I don't mean the popular saying, but what I mean is India with Israel, India and for Israel. And when we say this, we also feel that Israel, the full abbreviation would be Israel is a real friend. And I have really felt this feeling of kinship. I feel absolutely at home here, the warmth that has been emanated by everyone that I have met here. And Excellency, you yourself, you broke protocol, you stepped out, you came onto the road to receive me. And this is a mark of respect for the entire Indian nation, comprising 1.25 billion people. Excellency, you have expressed your love and your sentiments for our country. For that, I'd especially like to thank you and express my gratitude.
Thank you so very much. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
प्रधानमंत्री मिले इजराइल के राष्ट्रपति से, और उसके बाद दोनों ने अपनी अपनी बात रखी है।